really disturbing report from the President's Department of Health and Human Services from the Inspector General, including stunning revelations about a previously undisclosed large number of immigrant children, hundreds of children separated from their families at the southern border more than a year ago, more than the zero tolerance, longer ago, according to NBC national security and justice reporter Julia Ainsley. Before Jeff Sessions' zero tolerance policy was put in place. What's going on here?
That's right, Andrea. So we just got this report today, a few hours ago, that says that thousands of children were separated before zero tolerance ever went into place, and they saw the uptick begin in the summer of 2017. So again, this is part of the Trump administration. This did not occur previously under the Obama administration, as Trump has tried to say. It is unclear why they were all separated. We asked today what the criminality was of their parents. Was it simply that they were crossing illegally, like those parents who were separated under the zero tolerance policy, or was there something more? And they said, frankly, HHS had very little information about what the parents did to cause this separation. They also didn't have any more of a specific number than just thousands, which frankly is really hard as a journalist. We want more specifics. And then the most important thing, Andrea, is we don't know where these children went. Unlike the children separated under zero tolerance, they are not represented as part of a lawsuit because, frankly, this large number wasn't known. And so these children could have been put off to sponsors, to relatives, to non-relatives after they left HHS care and not reunited with their parents. We don't know where they went.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.